आदित्य साहेब मला वाटतं आपले 4 सेंटर्स आहेत, पण दॅट इज नॉट इनफ. आपण जास्त सेंटर जर वाढवले तो इट विल रीच आउट टू मोर नंबर ऑफ पीपल एंड मोर पीपल विल गेट बेनिफिटेड आउट ऑफ इट. एंड सेकेंडली आई थिंक इतना अभी तक अपना अवेयरनेस नहीं पहुंच रहा है. आई टेल पीपल इट्स हियर, उनको पता नहीं है. देयर इज अनदर थिंग आई वुड कम टू नो. एंड यस 90% of people they say हमको अक्षय कुमार के साथ फोटो निकालने मिलेगा. That is why 90% girls join. I know when I hear to teenagers, I'm used to listening to teenagers. You learn so much from them if you want to learn. So of course that is there, but still we should have more and more people encouraged to join this program, and which is I think is a must. As you say, not only for today, we are prepared for tomorrow and face anything in life wherever you are. Thank you so much.
You want to talk? Come. Tell your name. And where are you? कहाँ से हैं आप?
So I'm born in Korea.
Korea से?
No, my surname is Korea.
Okay.
I'm born and brought up in Mumbai, but I'm married now. I'm in Navsari. Friends, I would like to share with you one real incident of my childhood friend. So we were in school together, but I will say only for 2 to 3 days I went out, and when I came back, I lost my friend. She was alive, but there was no soul in her. She met with an incident when I saw her when I went to meet her. She had sponsored me. She had a video, it was damaged, but it was an attempt to rape. We were just 11 years old, so I also didn't understand what had happened to her. As we went on schooling, further in school they started teaching you about, they give you knowledge about sex and all. So we came to know, oh, she came to know actually what is going on, and she told me, hey, don't do it. It was attempt to rape. That guy didn't want it gold and all from me. He was trying to do something with me. That girl was so lively. Wherever she used to go, in parties, in school, everywhere she used to take part. But after that incident, she was totally lost. She was nothing. In fact, to remove that fear from her, her father and her put us together in karate. We reached up to brown belt. In karate class, she used to stand, she used to do everything. She used to give her exams, but if you frozen point, even somebody will go, she will go to the market to get something. No, I don't come, she will say. We had totally lost her. We were knowing everything about her. We got married in St. Navsari city. Our kids went for judo class. There our sir insisted us come. 2 females kept on saying, so I just asked her, let's go. She said, yes, let's join. In the class, whenever the topic is to come, oh, this will help you in rape, she would be like this. I can't do it. I just can't do it. Then there was one good system was introduced by our sir over there, that whatever form you fill up, behind the form you got to write your fear factor. My friend never allowed us to speak about her anywhere. But I gathered some courage. I wrote about her entire story with a request note to sir that nobody should come to know about her, and that I have revealed this fact. In fact, the entire people, our staff, dealt with her so well. Wherever she used to be, I can't speak, they made her strong. Today, she's totally different personality. Now, she will yell, we have to tell her, please, please control yourself. So she will be like, she'll walk behind me. Now what happened? Tell me, what happened? What happened? She'll just come straight forward and she'll walk. So today she's not here. She settled out somewhere, but when she came to know that I'm coming here, I'm come 3rd time over here. Yesterday she calls me up and she tells, please speak my incidents. Tell not only the youth, but all the girls. Because the 11-year children don't understand what is rape. They don't know what is happening to them, and they lose their whole life. Everything. I just, she used to leave everything. उसके 2 बच्चे हैं, बच्चे को संभालती है, सब है, लेकिन she is not there. I really thank you for giving my precious gift what I have lost. Thank you.
Okay, that was amazing. Thank you very much. You shared a story which I will always remember. We all will remember it. It is important, again, as she also said, don't freeze. Don't just stand there. Do something. Move. Nobody has the right to take away anything from you. You are a very important person in India. You all are very important. I'm so happy about this exercise. You know why I do this exercise? So we all share, we come in one room and we talk to each other. This exercise is also, you'll always remember it for your life.
Congratulations, sir. And God bless you for giving us this opportunity. Because it has made us really stronger.
Your name?
Yeah, my name is Grishma Mehta and I'm a stage actor from 6-7 years, Gujarati theatre.
Okay.
So we have shows late night and my parents will be really scared. And sometimes shooting also ends at 1 or 2 o'clock. And I've done some serials, not much. But so they were not really encouraging me into this profession because of the reasons, because of late nights. But this has instilled so much courage in me. And now I can bindas go alone in a train late night. And I think I'm going to make future in this. So now this has instilled so much confidence that I'm going to make this my profession, And one more thought related to our profession, because you've reached such a stage, I would like to suggest you, why not you make a movie on self-defense, women's self-defense, where you are like a coach, like in Chak De, where you train. Where you train a team of ladies from all age, all stratas, married, and then you train them so vigorously, not against to fight against a team, but to fight against all the evil men in the society. And I'm sure it would not only be very educating, but very entertaining, because when these professors teach us, it's very serious, but still we end up laughing because of the situations, the way we walk on streets, all the sirs, they make us laugh. So I'm sure this film will be very entertaining.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure. Okay, now I would request. Yeah, you also. Yes, ma'am.
नमस्कार आणि जय महाराष्ट्र.
जय महाराष्ट्र.
मला माहिती आहे अक्षय सर, भूमी आणि आदी सगळे मराठी बोलतात आणि छानपैकी बोलतात. तर माझं फक्त 1 मिनिट मी मराठीतच बोलणार. आदित्य आय एम फ्रॉम ॲक्च्युली मी घोडबंदर रोडची महिला शिवसेना उपविभाग संघटक आहे आणि रिअली व्हेरी 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 थँकफुल. खूप लक्ष धन्यवाद तुझे की घोडबंदरला आमच्या हा एक चांगला म्हणतात ना संधीचा फायदा आम्हाला झाला आणि तिथल्या लोकल कॉर्पोरेटर्सनी, बिकॉज मला त्यांचंही इथे धन्यवाद म्हणायचे. आणि शिवसेनेने चालू केलेला हा सगळ्यात मोठा आणि खूप मोठा होणारा प्रकल्प जो आता सध्या ठाण्यात आम्ही छोटे छोटे मावळे तिकडे करत आहोत, म्हणजे महिला मावळे सुद्धा आहात हे स्पेशली सांगते. आणि आत्ता जी पहिली आणि दुसरी बॅच आहे ती तुमच्या समोर उभी आहे, जी 120 आपल्या 120 मुली होत्या त्यातल्या फक्त 80 जणींनी पासआउट केलेलं आहे. तर त्या सगळ्या इथे आहेत. सो थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. धन्यवाद.
Now I would like Bhumi to speak something, what her experience is. She's not learned any martial art, but whatever she has listened to and whatever she knows, would you like to talk?
Definitely. Firstly, hello everyone. I really want to congratulate Akshay sir and Aditya for starting this. This is such a great initiative. As a girl, I'm born in Bombay. I've lived here my entire life, and through years I've seen women being tortured, beaten up, raped, molested, and even when you hear on the news, हमेशा सोचते कि यार क्या करे. बहुत गुस्सा आता है, मतलब रोना छूट जाता था कभी कभी, फ्रस्ट्रेशन होती थी. आई रिमेंबर जब मैं कॉलेज जाती थी, माई मॉम वुड ऑलवेज टेल मी अगर गाड़ी नहीं होती थी रिक्शा में कि बैग ना अपने सामने रखना. मैं सोचती मैं बैग क्यों सामने रखूँ, why does anybody have the right to come touch me inappropriately? But after listening to all the stories that you guys have said today, I am so inspired. And really, Akshay sir, if I get a chance, I hope I do get one very soon. I would like to come join this initiative and learn self-defense myself. It is so important to empower women. हमारे घर में बोला जाता है कि रात को लेट मत जाओ, ये मत करो, लड़कों से दूर रहो, स्ट्रेंजर्स से बात मत करो. ये सब बोलने के बजाय हमारे घरों में जो सर सिखा रहे हैं ये सिखाना चाहिए. दैट बी स्ट्रॉन्ग, एम्पावर योर सेल्फ, लोगों से डरो मत. You should not be scared of the opposite sex, क्योंकि भगवान ने आपको उसी इंटेलिजेंस, उसी स्ट्रेंथ के साथ पैदा किया है. आप उनसे बिल्कुल भी कम नहीं हो. So high five to all of you, more power to all of you, and I pray really hard. Congratulations, you all are such a big inspiration, and thank you both.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Neeta Menezes, and my experience has been totally different. I have a 12-year-old son who is doing karate for the last 3-4 years with sir and with this group. And it is he who has been inspiring me, because when I would go for the Khandala camp, I would meet Mehul sir, I would see all of them, and I would always tell Mehul sir, kuch karo, the parents are just sitting there and doing nothing, we are enjoying the resort, but we are not able to do something. And sir would say, no, let's do something. And he started off with us, training us a little bit. And then when the self-defense course started, I remember it was the first or second batch in Khandala, and sir trained us so well. It was the first time that I had that experience where I could actually shout. And sir would say, English mein gali mat dena, Hindi mein dena. And I was never comfortable, giving a gali in Hindi, but that was the experience. Chillao, jitna जोर से चिल्ला सकते चिल्लाओ. And you can see my voice now. If anyone comes in front of me, they are gone. So that's been the experience. And then I got this opportunity again when this camp happened here. I've been delaying it for quite some time. But then I said, no, I need to do it. And this last month, I met Megha and I met Jatin sir, who told me, क्या हो रहा है, आप कब से बोल रहे हैं, आप join कर रहे हो, क्या होगा? I said, no, I'll come this time. And it's been such a wonderful experience. It's amazing, and I've been motivating everyone to come and join this, because it is very, very important. Simple things like right from the day one, they have taught us about being aware. Don't put yourself into a situation. That's the most important thing. It's not just about going and beating. I learned self-defense. So abhi koi bhi aaye, chalo main usko marungi. So sirs have taught us very well that